Most air purifiers today are trying to be smartphones. They have apps, Wi-Fi and glowing lights. But what if you just want something that actually cleans air without breaking your bank? Means in budget. Today we are looking at the Honeywell AirTouch V1. This is one of the most affordable options from a premium brand, usually sitting under just Rs 5000 rupees. But does budget means it is ineffective? We put it through a brutal smoke test to find out. Let's dive in. But before that, let's check out design and specs. Talking about design and specs, they are simple and efficient. The design here is minimalist. You get two simple touch controls. First is power on off and second is 3-level fan speed. Under the hood, you have a 3-stage filtration system. Pre-filter for the big stuff like dust and pet hair. Hepatitis filter, the heavy hitter that gets 99.97% of microscopic particles. And last, activated carbon for odors and VOCs, means volatile organic compounds. The power consumption is only 12.5 watts, that is less than a ceiling fan. Guys, here the filter life is rated for about 9000 hours, though that depends on how polluted your city is. The best part, a replacement filter costs roughly just around 1500 rupees. And you get a 2-year warranty on this air purifier for peace of mind. Specifications are fine on papers, but how does it perform? I tested this in a 15 by 12 by 12 feet room. To push it to the limit, I used Dhoop Batti until my PM 2.5 monitor maxed out at 9999. And here is how the AirTouch V1 handled the smoke chamber. After 30 minutes, PM 2.5 levels was 999, means no visible drop was seen. And after 1 hour, PM 2.5 levels were 550. And after 1.5 hours, PM 2.5 levels were 200, means air felt much lighter. After 2 hours, they were 100, means back to breathable levels. So it took almost 2 hours to clear a literal smoke-filled room. For a compact unit under 5000, this is actually quite impressive. Definitely for smaller rooms, it must take lesser time. Now guys, let's talk about the pros and cons. Start with the pros. First pros is value for money. Easily the best air purifier under 5000 rupees from a reputed brand. Second, low maintenance. Between the low power draw and the cheap filter replacement, it is very easy on the wallet. Third, build. It feels sturdy and the touch response is snappy. But it has also some cons. First is no sensor. There is no inbuilt PM 2.5 sensor. You will have no idea if your air is clean unless you buy a separate monitor. No smart features, no app, no Alexa, no remote, it's purely manual. And the third is thin carbon layer. The carbon layer is quite thin. While it helps with light smell, don't expect it to clear heavy kitchen smoke or strong fumes instantly. And the last con may be, don't buy this for your large living areas. Actually, the math is the CADR, means clean air delivery rate, is 152 meter cube per hour according to the brand. For effective cleaning, you need at least 4 ACH. ACH means air changes per hour. Means your room air should be filtered at least 4 times per hour from this air purifier. The formula is simple. Room volume is equal to 152 divided by 4. And here we get room volume is 38 meter cube. So if your room volume is 38 meter cube or around or less, this is quite perfect. But if your room is bigger, this motor will struggle to keep up. This is strictly for bedrooms or small cabins. Now, final verdict. If you want a secondary purifier for a bedroom or a study room and you don't care about smart gimmicks, Honeywell AirTouch V1 is very good. But if you need to see your air quality levels in real time and want to turn it on from your phone before you get home, you will need to spend a bit more. Now, it is totally up to you. What do you think, guys? Is lack of sensor a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more honest tech reviews. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.